Welcome to Life on Beagle Road. I'm Courtney and I just started a new job. I decided to take you with me. Well, not like to work, but on the work trip. I thought it would be fun if I showed you the start and end of my day when I don't have a herd of goats or a herd of kids to take care of. So let's go. I am headed to San Francisco. It's Sunday, it's about 2 o'clock, and I'm about to get on my first flight of the day. Oh, I think my flight's boarding. Let's go. Made it! It is about 7 o'clock here, so 10 o'clock my time, and I'm beat. We get an Uber and go to the hotel. The good news is no problems on the flight here. The bad news is that probably means I'll get delayed on the way home. Oh well. How long have you been driving for Uber?
Almost 3 years.
Nice.
Yeah, I like it. I love doing it.
It is early Monday morning. I am awake because I am still on East Coast time, so I am going to get in a quick workout before I have to get ready and find some coffee. Definitely find some coffee. That's one of my biggest tips for you is if you are traveling for work, try to get in as much self-care as you can on those trips. Work out, get a manicure, get a pedicure. Sorry, Kenny, that's just the reality of it. No one has to watch the kids right now because, well, I'm already gone. See, Kenny, I told you I was working out. My coffee does not look amazing. I'm gonna drink it though. I need it to be able to find real coffee. Just had a super amazing first day at the new job. And as promised, self-care is paramount when you're traveling. So I'm touching up my nail polish. Did that, so now I'm gonna call the kids. And Kenny, the guy who keeps it together when I'm not there. Hello, how's it going? Hi, honey. I miss you too. How was your day today? Oh, that's exciting. My day was good. So talk to the kiddos and Kenny. I'm gonna run out here and grab some dinner with a new coworker and check out San Francisco at night. Part of what I do love about my job and about traveling is it's totally opposite of my day-to-day life, which is kind of cool. I love my day-to-day life and I would not want to give it up for the world, but sometimes it is still nice to go to a big city and see everything else that's out there. I feel a little bit like I live two lives sometimes. I think Kenny feels like I do sometimes too. I guess I better find him a cool San Francisco souvenir. Let's see if you can see the sights at night here. Skyline is awesome. Let's find my shoes. These are different from the boots you usually see me put on. Had dinner and a glass of wine. Now I'm gonna relax and do two things. Number one, check my work email. And number two, watch Forensic Files. Love watching Forensic Files when I am in a hotel because Kenny hates it. Hates it. Always like 9 hours of Forensic Files on HLN network. I don't know why, but there is. It makes me so happy when I'm in a hotel. So happy. Here, I'll show you. Hey, hey, it is day 3 of my new job. I am missing the kids and Kenny. I haven't been able to talk to the kids much because they're gone to school by the time I get up and in bed by the time I can call it night. So I'm gonna have to try to step out today and and give them a call. That does make it a little tough when you're traveling with the big time difference, but Kenny's taking great care of them, so they are fine. Kenny's also been taking great care of the goats, even giving some penicillin injections, so left him with lots to do. The great news is I've been getting fantastic night's sleeps. I've been having great dinners, so that helps. I will be invigorated and ready to go when we get home. I just ordered a new Christmas tree stand because we're gonna buy a bulb tree this year that we can plant. So that'll be there on Friday and we can go get a Christmas tree Friday night. I also ordered everything that I need for cookie making so we can make some cookies this weekend and I don't have to run out to the grocery store. Having groceries delivered probably makes me a bad homesteader, but you know, gotta balance the things in my life. So sometimes you have to have vanilla extract delivered to the house. That's why that technology exists. Bad hotel coffee. All right, talk to you guys soon. It is Thursday morning and I am headed home. Uber is still trying to find my ride, which is a problem because my pickup window starts in like 2 minutes, but hopefully that all works out. It's gonna be a long day. And back to the room because I forgot my suitcase. Oh, that's what happens when you get up at 3:30 in the morning. Part of balancing all of this is sometimes you take 17 floors. Sometimes you take flights that are at crazy hours and your brain doesn't work. There we go. I hope you enjoyed this little snippet of my time away. This was my first time vlogging alone while traveling, so hopefully next time it'll be even better. Thanks for watching.